Hi, welcome back to the Makeup Obsession YouTube channel. I'm Alexandra Saint Amour and I have been challenged to do my makeup in the back of a London cab with the brand new London's Calling eyeshadow palette. Now first of all, I've got a lovely fluffy brush that I can get a lot of product onto. I've decided to go for the colour Earl Grey. It's a nice brown colour, it will give me a little bit of depth around my socket. So after I have blended all that out to the best of my abilities in the moving vehicle, I'm going to go on to my next colour, and that is Royalty. It's a lovely burnt red colour and I think it really complements my green eyes. It also is going to give me a little bit more depth in those corners. And when I finally manage to find it, I'm going to get a different kind of fluffy brush, which I think is just going to give me a little bit more control because I'm going to go for a bit of a different colour. Now this underground colour is quite a nice forest green. It's more green, it's not so blue toned. And if I just put that along the little outside of my socket, I think I'm going to give a little bit more depth and it's going to make my eyes pop just a little bit more than they do already. I'm then going to go for a flatter brush and I'm going to get the colour Tea. This is a nice beigey, light beige colour that I'm just going to put on my lid on top of what I've already got, just to kind of blend it all together. It's going to kind of brighten my eyes a little bit more where I had just quite dark colours on previous. Then I'm going to get the same brush and I'm going to go and use the colour Crown. Now Crown is a beautiful cold colour, it's very pigmented, and my favourite thing to do is put a little bit of a glittery colour on top of the lighter colour I put on my lid. Now this is how I do my makeup pretty much every single day. If I'm going out, I've got some glitter on my lid. If I'm going to the club, I've got some glitter on my lid. It's just kind of a staple for me, and that's what I really love about the Makeup Obsession palettes, is that they've always got that signature glitter. My favourite thing about blending out any eyeshadow is actually the faces that I pull. I'm just like to give you that as a little additional gift. And then as an additional, I have used a flat angle brush to give myself a little bit of a liner using the beautiful green colour Regal. Now I just want to say a massive thank you to Makeup Obsession for giving me the opportunity, and I hope you enjoyed the video.